What's up? It's getting close to 5 o'clock in the morning and I'm about to make my keto coffee. So I figured I would show you guys how I did that. And I think I'm supposed to show you the time on my phone, but I'm using my phone to make this, so I couldn't do that. Alright, so we're gonna go over here. And this is gonna look like a Natural Force ad, but I swear this video is not sponsored. This is just how I make my coffee in the morning. Usually I just do 1 tablespoon of the C8 MCT oil and then 1 tablespoon of the Keto Coffee creamer. This is my favorite, but you can see I'm out right now. But yeah, we'll go ahead and make the coffee and we'll be back. Okay, so the coffee has been brewed and now we're just going to add about a tablespoon of the C8 MCT oil. And then we're also going to add about a tablespoon of this caramel coffee creamer, and this is actually dairy free. I don't have any issues with dairy, but this would be good for someone that did. Alright, it's really delicious too. And now we're just going to add the coffee. And blend it up. Alright. I just spilled it everywhere. So that's how I make my keto coffee. Don't spill it after you make it. Just drink it. Take it easy. Sorry, I got distracted when I spilled it, but I just wanted to tell you guys. This right here has about 200 calories, about 22 grams of fat, and 1 net carb. So it's a really good way to start your day off with a good amount of fat. All right, take it easy.
Black boots, red cup, brown liquor, no suds. Some bad motherfuckers just roll.